Hello students, I feel like so many children are facing the problem to fill the Google form test. Let me explain it properly. Now pay attention all. Here is the link, online test link, okay? Link you have to first open. So just click it once and you find the link gets opened in a Google form. For this you have to see that whatever mobile you are using, it has to be signed with a Gmail address. Okay, for that you can take your parents' help to make the Gmail address active in your mobile. Now what are we going to do? Once this page is open, you can see practice set standard 6 science test is for 10 marks, and you can see there are few red stars. Few means there are red stars for all the questions. Okay, now those red stars mean you have to compulsorily fill all those questions. Okay, now first let us go from the beginning. Name, you have to write your name. I'll write just my name just to show you a sample. Okay, then roll number, let me give any roll number. Now there are dash layers of soil. I am just filling this form to show you how to fill. Okay, see that whatever answers I fill up are not correct, just to guide you how to fill the form. I'll just randomly select the answers. Suppose I select 7. You have to find out the correct answers. I am not giving you the answer key. There is only dash % of water available for drinking on earth. Then the ozone layer is dash of the earth. The layer of ozone gas absorbs dash rays that come from the sun to the earth. The process by which plants make their own food is called dash. Go on selecting the answers. The sticky substance given out by plants is called as dash. An organism with one cell is called dash organism. Plants which live in water are called as dash plants. Animals that lay eggs are called dash. Rose is a dash. Okay, now once you finish selecting all the answers for the 10 questions, as this test has 10 questions, once you finish filling up 10 questions, you have to click on the submit button. But before you click on submit button, see that whatever questions you have solved are correct. Secondly, once you finish submitting the form, the link will not be opened to you again. This form can be filled once for all. You cannot fill it again and again. You can fill it only once. So see that whatever you are writing, whatever you are filling, the answers are all correct. You cannot make any corrections into it later. As it is test, some settings are made so that you can fill the form only once. Okay, after you finish, click on submit. Then once you finish, you click on submit. Once you finish clicking on submit, you will get a point your view score. Now what is view score? As many questions you have solved, whatever questions are correct or whichever are wrong, you will come to know in that view score. So let us click on view score. Once we click on view score, your question paper, your answer key will appear in this page. Okay, so if whatever answer is correct, you will get that many marks. If the answers are wrong, you will get a cross symbol to make you know what is the correct answer. This was just to guide you. See now, all questions I have written wrong. I had purposely made the video to make you know whether how to make a Google form. Okay, now take an example of question number 10. Rose is a dash I have written the answer. I have clicked for the answer tendril, but the correct answer is flowering plant. Okay. Same. Question number 9. Animals that lay eggs are called dash. I have written for viviparous, but the correct answer is oviparous. That is why the question answer is wrong, and so I have got here wrong. Now few children have written rose is a dash, flowering plants as well as shrub. Both answers are correct, so you don't have to worry. Those who have written shrub is also correct. Now my all questions are wrong. That is why I can see here on the top part, practice set total points 0 out of 10 as I had solved all questions wrong. Clear? I hope you understand this video. Thank you. Next time onwards, please fill the form properly.